Hey guys, it's Paul here with Trade Binary Options with Success, coming to you guys with a new binary options trading strategy. Now, we're going to be talking about an easy to understand strategy, and it will be using a few free indicators that I will give you the link to download and instructions on how to set them up with the correct settings. Now, you'll be downloading this from a site that is a growing binary options trading community, where you're able to talk to fellow traders and people that have been trading for a while with useful strategies. This will allow you a new edge while trading and will be a great thing for you guys to be a part of. Now, what you're looking for in the strategy involves two main indicators, which is the Bollinger Band, Bollinger Bands right here, as well as the value chart. Now, what we're looking for is the candle to cross the Bollinger Band and the candle to cross over the bottom line right here on the value chart or the top line. Now, I do it as soon as the candle crosses, so you can turn on alerts. When you first put in the Bollinger Band, you can have alerts set on, as well as a value chart arrows. Now, I just don't use those because I hate alerts. That's just my preference, but some people like them because they can be doing other things. But since I'm staring at the chart so long, I don't take my eyes off them really and do other things. I don't like the alerts on, but that is an option for you guys. So as soon as it crosses, bam, take the trade. Now I do a line so you can see where I would have got in. I take it for around 15 minutes. So as we can see, we can count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you would expire right here. So if you got in a little bit later or took a little bit longer trade, you would have gotten in right here. A little bit shorter, you would have gotten in right here. Now that would have been a little bit close if you got 2 or 3 minutes shorter, because you can tell these last three were pretty big. So I like getting about 15 to 20 minutes. I'd stick around that range if I were you. So that would have been a winner. But as you can see, the same thing happened right here. But that, as you can tell, 15 minutes later, you can tell it would have ended right around here. So it doesn't always win, but it's a very high-performing strategy when you use it at the right time. I like to use it when it looks similar to this, where I have this large up and down motion where it's ranging. It doesn't have a very steep trend. It just has this nice wave. Now remember, this is on minute 1 charts. Now you can use it more than just with the Euro USD. I like using it on the Euro USD, USD JPY, and AUD USD. Now I use gold, which is this one right here, more of a correlation in my opinion. I don't use it as much as a tradable asset, just because in my opinion gold can be kind of crazy at sometimes and really hard to trade. So I prefer just focusing on a few assets. So it doesn't mean you need to choose these. Choose ones that you prefer and ones that you've practiced and like. This is just a good way of focusing on a few, not a bunch, so you're distracted. Now, hopefully that's an easy to understand strategy. It'll be a little bit more explained on my blog, as well as the website I talked to you about, which is called binaryoptionspeak.com, which is a new growing binary option community. And this will give you a nice option to start actually trading by looking at graphs. So I will also provide a link to download MetaTrader, either on a United States server or a European server, just in case if you don't have those. So if you guys have any more questions, never hesitate to ask, and feel free to comment below, so if other traders have the same question, they can have them answered. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you next time.